AI is just its infancy. It is just the tip of the iceberg.
If you don't have AI implemented in your business in the next 3 to 5 years, I promise you, you will have no business.
We are seeing ourselves in the middle of a revolution. I would say after the Industrial Revolution, this has been a revolution we've all been looking very closely at, especially as leaders. And as leaders navigate this whole new change with AI, some of them are nervous, some of them are saying there's a big opportunity.